BeeBee. Welcome to Frankbrox Art. Today, we are drawing 2 Froggy Show characters. You ready? Okay, first of all, welcome to the new and improved Frankbrox Art intro situation, because apparently the old intro was like 97 years old in internet time. Brian kept saying stuff like, "I'm working on it. Working on it, bro. You've been working on it longer than cartoon villains work on evil plans." So I decided, if the intro's gonna get done, then I gotta take over. Which honestly, I should have been in charge already. Look at me, I got the headphones, I got the energy, I got snacks. That's leadership. So now we're building a whole updated intro for the channel, and it's actually kinda crazy because now all this AI stuff is making everything look like sci-fi movie magic. And Brian over here acting shocked every 5 seconds. Like, bro, you uploaded a sketch into Adobe Illustrator, and the AI literally cleaned it up and drew the lines. But seriously though, it actually helps a lot. 'Cause now when we work on the Froggy Show characters, we can see how they'd look from different directions instead of just staring at one drawing like confused raccoons. And Froggy is looking good now, like way better. At first he looked like he ate expired batteries. But now he got personality. And Foxy's over here looking all dramatic and stylish like she pays taxes. Meanwhile, I'm still trying to figure out why cartoon characters always got perfect outfits. You telling me Froggy got drip, but no job? Suspicious? But the AI workflow stuff is actually helping speed everything up. 'Cause now Brian can sketch faster, clean faster, test colors faster, and most importantly, we can make more animations. Which means more chaos. And that's important. Honestly, the funniest part is watching traditional artists react to AI tools. They either act like it's the greatest thing ever, or they look at the screen like the machine just stole their sandwich. There is no in between. But here's the thing though, you still gotta know how to draw. I can't save bad ideas. If your character ugly before AI, he gonna be high definition ugly after AI. That's just science. So now we're trying to combine everything together. Hand drawing, funny storytelling, animation AI cleanup, 3D turntables, better intros, better editing. And somehow Brian still forgets to sleep. I swear every time I walk into the room this man got 17 tabs open. He got Illustrator open, Photoshop open, Gemini open, ChatGPT open, music generation open, video editing open, a folder named final_real_v2, and somehow none of them are finished. That's artist behavior. But honestly, the new intro's gonna be sick. We're adding movement, energy, music, funny moments, animated transitions, and maybe I'll allow Brian to stay on the channel. We'll see. No promises. But the goal now is making everything feel bigger. Like an actual cartoon universe. Not just random drawings on a screen. We want the Froggy Show characters to feel alive. We want the intros to feel like Saturday morning cartoons mixed with internet chaos. And honestly, that's kind of the dream. 'Cause cartoons used to feel special. You'd hear the intro start, and suddenly, your whole afternoon was booked. You wasn't going nowhere. You had cereal blanket. No responsibilities. Peak humanity. And now we're trying to bring that energy back. But with art and memes and AI and frogs, which honestly sounds ridiculous, but somehow it's working. And that's the scary part. So while Brian's over here rebuilding intros and turning sketches into fake 3D wizardry, I'm basically supervising. Very professionally. Definitely not pressing random buttons. Definitely didn't rename his file, quote, frog_final_real_v7_usethezone.ai. That definitely wasn't me. Anyway, we got more Froggy Show stuff coming, more animations, more experiments, more weirdness, and probably more moments where the AI does something so good it scares everybody in the room. But that's the fun part. We're just building stuff, trying ideas, making chaos, and seeing what happens. So buckle up, nerds. BeeBee's in charge now. And honestly, that should concern all of you.